Good morning, students. This is our second lecture of class 8th computer. In our previous lecture, we have learned about the basics of HTML, the type of tags which are used in HTML, what is the use of empty tag, what is the use of container tag. So in this lecture, we will learn how to insert image in HTML document. Image is a very important part of a HTML document. So inserting image in a HTML document is a task in itself. So how to insert image in HTML document? For this, image can be easily inserted at any section in an HTML page. To insert image in an HTML page, use the img tag. Img tag is used to insert image in an HTML document, and img tag is empty tag. It means it doesn't require to be closed. Just keep in mind that you should use img tag inside body tag. So in our previous lecture we have discussed about the tags. The first tag is HTML, the second one is title. After title there is a body tag. So all the working which we have to show in the web page will be under the body tag. So this tag, image tag, img tag, also works under body tag. The src attribute is used to add the image source. For example, if you are adding an image from a source, so you have to add an attribute src. For example, if you are giving the URL uniform resource locator of an image, then you have to use an attribute src to add that image into your document. For width and height, you have to use attribute alt for adding the height, for adjusting the height of the image, for adjusting the width of the image. So alt attribute is used for altering the width and height of the image in an HTML document. So let's perform it in a practical manner, how to insert image in an HTML document. In our previous lecture, we have discussed that HTML code will be written in any kind of text editor. So here we are using Notepad. The first tag is HTML. This is a container tag, so it requires to be and. After HTML, head, title tag, inside title tag we have to mention the title of the web page. Then after head there is body tag. So we have to put img tag inside this body tag. First we will save this inside pictures. Name it as class 8 dot html. c8.html, it means class 8.html. Save it. Now let's go to the document. inside pictures, sample picture, and this is our document. See it. For example, we have to insert this image into our document, so we have to take the path of this image. How we can take the path? By simply we have to take lighthouse. So we will copy this path and paste it into a existing document. So in this manner we are able to insert image into our HTML document. Here we have provided the width and height of the image so that image take a particular portion on the web page. For example, if we increase height here 600 and 500 and we save it, then the size of image automatically changes in the web page. The title which we have provided in under the title tag will be shown here. We are using img tag and the image will be inserted into the web page in this manner. So thank you student. This is the end of our second lecture. We will perform new things in our next lecture.